Here we are at Foodtech Packtech and the MHL Expo, and wow, have we got a show for you. Over 245 national and international exhibitors are showcasing the latest products and innovations. With 3 full days of seminars and workshops, the education and learning is second to none.
So I've come to just check out all the machinery, all the robots, all the conveyors, that sort of stuff, and it's good to get ideas from all these equipment.
We can network a little bit and see what is new and what's different and what we can maybe implement in our business.
There's a lot to see, a lot to do, a lot of good exhibitors to speak to, and that's why we keep coming back here.
Just seen a robot over there and I really want to get one.
It saves time to come to a one-stop shop and see what you need.
This morning I went to 2 seminars so far. It was really cool to hear about the future innovation trends that there are and what's going on in the food industry.
And you don't always know what's out there.
You will see something or speak to someone that will be beneficial to you.
Yeah, all the new technology and stuff, it's really interesting to see, so definitely worth coming.
Sometimes an email and a quote is not good enough, so yeah, come and meet the people face to face.
And best of all, everyone, for all industry professionals, it's free to attend. Fuel your passion and get down here now.